Take a ride in 2012 MDX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering.